Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel, Decor and More with Anita. I'm your girl Anita. Happy Tuesday you guys. Welcome to Tablescape Tuesday. So guess what, if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscription button. Make sure you put your post notification bell on so that when I put out the next video, you will be the first to know about it. Okay, so without further ado, let me jump right into this video. Not gonna be doing too much talking because hey, we want to get right to it. So guys, these are what I'm going to be using to set my table up today. I'm going to be using these two bunnies, these two napkin rings or DIYs that I've done using paper towel roll, and I'm going to do a separate video showing you how I do just that. I purchased the string, the burlap string from Dollar Tree, also the carrots from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to show you in another video how I get that one done. Those coasters I bought from TJ Maxx. Those utensils I bought from I believe Amazon, and those napkins those were 50 cents guys. If it's not 50 cents, 25 cents. Those I purchased from a thrift store and they were brand new in a pack. Yes, that's a DIY centerpiece, and I do have the video for that centerpiece flower box that I did, so please go back and watch my videos guys. Okay, so I'm gonna get into setting up my table right now. So yes, and oh, those beautiful cups I purchased from TJ Maxx. Was it TJ Maxx or I think it was Marshall's? Yes. There you have it, my beautiful friends, my spring tablescape for Tablescape Tuesday. If you like this tablescape, please go ahead, drop me a comment down below. Let me hear from you. Give this video a thumbs up, share my videos with your family and friends, guys. Don't forget to hit subscribe and also put your post notification bell on so that you won't miss out on any of my future videos, guys. Until next time, guys, be blessed and be creative. Bye bye.